In today's video, we'll be learning the outer drop in detail. So this swing again is a beginner swing. It's a single hand swing. Okay, so how do we do it? Pick your Mudgar up, hold your Mudgar in the right hand. Okay, hold your Mudgar in the right hand and just drop outside, swing and catch. Okay, drop outside, swing and catch. Okay, so basically if I'm holding the Mudgar in my right hand, I'm dropping it towards the right side, swinging, catching. Again, I'm dropping towards the left side, swinging, catching. Okay, come, let's do 27 reps together. Come. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Very good. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. Okay, relax, right? By the way guys, in our typical class, we at least do 108 reps per swing. Okay, so we just did 27 reps. This was just a short demo. Okay, but you actually need to start doing 108 reps. If you do that, then only you start seeing the benefits. Okay, the real benefits, which is getting stronger, having good mobility, having increased energy. Okay, now some questions which students keep asking me about this move. So number one question what they ask is, how are you doing it smoothly? Okay, how are you doing it smoothly? So basically what you need to follow is, let's say if the Mudgar is in a right hand, my weight is towards the left side. Okay, it's towards the left side. As I swing, it goes towards the right side. Okay, so if you keep doing like this, it will look smooth and very much easy. Okay, and one more thing, if you keep shifting your weight from left to right, your outer edges of the feet also become stronger. Okay, outer edges of the feet. Do this with me. Okay, try this with me. Swing, shift your weight, swing, shift your weight, swing, shift your weight, and you will notice that your outer edges are becoming stronger. By the way, why does that matter? As your outer edges become stronger, it protects you from falls. Okay, you must have heard a lot of people that this person was walking on the street and then he fell down, right? But if your outer edges of your feet are stronger, then it will protect you from injuries. And another question which people keep asking me is whether your heels go above the floor. Okay, what I simply tell them is, whenever you're doing the swing, okay, let your heels come up if they feel like to. Okay, you don't have to restrict your heels down. Okay, the whole point of this exercise is that you need to be relaxed. Okay, you need to be relaxed. So don't think too much about your heels, whether they're up or down. Be relaxed, continue with the swing. Every individual is unique. Okay, so these are the questions. I hope you understood this swing, and I will see you in the next video.